What's going on, guys? I'd like to introduce you to the newest project on the channel. What I've got here is a 1990 Polaris Indy 500. She's in pretty rough shape, but we're going to revive her today. I just purchased the snowmobile for $150, and it has been sitting outside since 2005. As you can see here, last registered in 2005. I'm going to assume that was the last time it was run. This sled is going to need a couple new parts, such as a seat. I'm going to have to try to pull this dent out here. I need to fix the steering as it is locked up. And I also have to take the clutch apart and unfree it because it's frozen. Under the hood of this Indy 500, we have the 500 two-stroke engine that powers it. It's got twin Mikuni carbs that I just cleaned. I had Travis help me do that. They were kind of a pain. The bowls did not want to come off, but we got it. I also put new spark plugs in, and I rigged up a fuel solution to the gas tank being full of bad gas. As you could also see, my header has seen better days, as there's a big old hole in the pipe. I actually recently just got this thing running last night. It was way too dark to film. But what we did is, since we cleaned those carbs, I got new clamps holding on the carbs because the old ones were a joke. The screw was pretty much gone. So those are on. It has really good compression. You could hear it. I got the fuel situated. I had to put some new lines in. I had to fix the bottom of the carbs. You can't really see it, but the little tubes at the bottom, you can kind of see the one. They had a hole in it, and it was letting all the gas out, so that's kind of not helpful. So today I kind of got it running again, and I'm going to show you guys. Alright, let's see if it starts first pull. Oh yeah. I took the belt off so this wouldn't limit me because it's pretty locked up. Alright, so as you can see, it's running pretty good now. Aside from that that exhaust leak, that's got to get sorted out. But it starts right up, which is great. When it's really, really cold, it probably is going to need a shot of starting fluid. I have the air box here. I'm got to get that cleaned out. And the next thing I got to do is fix the steering. So that will be the next video. But I wanted to give you a little preview of what I got going here. $150 snowmobile, and it runs like a champ. It took a little bit of messing around, but I got it going. So stay tuned for next video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and have a great day.